Hey guys, this is another video. I'm Brandon O'Weiler, and this is another video. Today I bought this float tube. It's the Fish Cat 4 Deluxe. I'm gonna use this in like the Back Bay, the Chesapeake Bay and stuff. Let's unbox it. This float tube, if you look on, if you just look up Fish Cat 4 Deluxe, it's $400 at the lowest that you can get them. $300 that you can get them. I got this one at Field and Stream, my local Field and Stream. It was $159 on clearance, and then since it was the end of the season sale or something like that, it was 50% off that, so it was like $80, and my dad had $20 in the scorecard thing, so I got this Fish Cat for $60. Comes like a package like this. Here's your strap. And here's the boat itself. It's Kevlar, I think, and here's the manual. It has two vinyl air cells, 50 denier PVC bottom, 420 denier packed cloth top, inflatable seat and seat back, two large gear pockets with beverage holders, and LCS stripping apron with ruler. It comes with a repair kit, 44-inch by 54-inch inflated size, 14 pounds it weighs, and then it has 250-pound load capacity, 12-inch tube diameter, and a 5-year warranty. As you can see, the little stickers, the little orange stickers says $159. That was a half off that. I'll get back to you once I blow this up. I'll get my dad to blow it up because I've never experienced one of these, and I'll show it to you then. See ya. Hey guys, I'm back with another with my Fish Cat 4 review. This thing, I just blew it up, and it's heavier than you would think. It's 14 pounds, but it feels more than that. Comes with a line strip carrier, I think. Yeah. Let me look real quick. Yeah. It's a stripping apron with a ruler in, 1 to 18 inches. It has two bags on the sides on each pontoon that I'm going to put soft plastics and smaller Plano boxes in, like 3,500. Has two mesh bags on the back. I have this regular book bag that my stepmom got me from just for free. She got it from work, and it holds 4 3600 series boxes, and when I'm sitting, I can put it in here, which I'm gonna do. Sorry about that. So when I take this bag and when I'm fishing, and I sit it in this back compartment right here, when I sit back, it sits in there snug. When I'm fishing, casting, it sits in the back snug. It's not coming out. So, yeah, I'll be right back. My battery's about to die. This SD card's full. Hey guys, I'm back, and I wanted to do a quick review on these two Plano boxes. They're the standard 3600 Plano boxes, you all know them. But I wanted to do a review on this anchor. It's the 3-pound galvanized folding anchor. They sold a 1.5 pound for kayaking, but I wanted to make sure I was good because I'm going to use it in the ocean, and I wanted to make sure I wasn't going to go with the current very much. As you can see, it comes like this. When you twist it, it has this little, you can see little grooves sort of. And there's two little notches. You gotta lift it up, then all these things fold out. You gotta go in the grooves twice down through and spin. Then all these things are locked down, and you tie a rope on here, which I'm gonna put paracord, like 30 to 50 yards of it, just to make sure I have enough. And yeah, it'll sink into the sand, and all the sand will overlay it, and I won't move a little bit. So yeah, this has been Brandon O'Weiler, and like, comment, subscribe, and see you on the next video. I should be making another video on lures. I got a Bass Pro today, and one or two accessories, and yeah, so see ya.